Now let's do questions on master theorem. So before solving the questions, let's see a quick revision on the cases. The first case is when fn function is less than n log base ba. In that case, the solution is theta of n log base ba. Second case, when fn is equals to n log base ba. In that case, solution is theta of n log base ba into log n. And in the third case, if fn function is greater than n log base ba, then along with this, we also check this regularity condition. AF n upon b less than equals to c of fn, where c is less than 1. If both the conditions satisfies, then the case third and the solution is theta of fn. Okay. So let's see. Here is the equation Tn equals to 8Tn by 2 plus 100n square. So first, what we'll do, we compare it with this standard equation that T of n is equals to ATn upon b plus fn. Now the given recurrence relation is satisfying the standard equation. Now very first we note the value of a is 8, value of b is 2 and value of fn is 1000 n square. Okay, now we compute log base ba, which is log base b a. Now you can write it as 2 cube, you can write it as 3 log 2 base 2, log 2 at base 2 is 1, so it is 3. So what we compute, n to the power log base ba, which is n cube. Okay, and fn is 1000 n square. Now we compare these two terms, n log base ba and fn. When we compare these two terms, we have to compare that whether fn is equal to n log base ba, fn is less than n log base ba, or fn is greater than n log base ba. Okay. And whenever we compare, they are not equal. This is n cube, this is n square. So here n log base ba is greater. Okay, here n log base ba is greater than fn. Okay, and when we compare greater, then also we can compare by using the ratio that n log base ba upon fn. We can compute this ratio also. So n log base ba is n cube and fn is n square. That means we are getting n to the power 1. So here epsilon value is 1. So this is greater both asymptotically and polynomially, hence case 1, and the solution for case 1 is this, theta of n log base ba. So the solution is T of n is theta of n cube. Okay, case 1, right? Now let's see the another question. T of n equals to 2Tn by 2 plus 10n. Again we compare it with the standard equation, that is Tn is equals to ATn upon b plus f of n. Note down the values of a, b and fn. Now what we do? We compute log base ba, which is log b is 2, a is 2, log 2 at base 2 is 1. So n to the power log base ba, which is equals to n to the power 1, or we can say n, and fn is 10n. Now the both terms are equal. 10 is constant only. So when n log base ba is equal to fn, that means case 2, and the solution for case 2 is theta of n log base ba into log n, right? So the solution is n log base ba is n into log n. Okay, so this is the solution for this recurrence relation.